Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bucket for, and today we are going to see about AMI. AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image. Basically is a configuration of your EC2 instance. What you do in a EC2, you install all the softwares configuration into and create an AMI, and from AMI you can create an EC2 instance. So no need to do again and again and installing all the software. From AMI you can spin up your EC2 instance and host in another region as well. So this is the flow EC2 instance in US East 1. From there EC2 you create an AMI. From AMI you create a EC2 instance. For in this EC2 instance you no need to install it again. You can launch in another region as well. Okay, so we are going to see the demo as well. So stay tuned. Okay, this is our console. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and check out other AWS related videos. We did the demo as well, theory as well. Okay, and you can check out my portfolio as well, rakesh1.in, and if you're on LinkedIn, do follow me. We'll connect there. So we'll create an EC2 instance. This will be AMI demo. Okay, and these are all called AMIs. Okay, till now you are using, but you are not known. Okay, you can browse more AMIs. So basically AMIs are three types. One is a public AMI. Okay, one is your own AMI which you created, and AWS Marketplace AMI. So basically these from three places you can get your AMI. Okay, select Ubuntu. You can select any other operating system as per your need. Okay, select Ubuntu. Go with the default configuration. No need for the key pairs. Okay, and this will be allow HTTPS. I will let you know why it's allowed. Okay, so in advanced section, what we will do, we'll install Apache in our instance. Okay, and we'll launch our startup page as well. So launch instance. Okay, our instance is launched. How you can verify? If you go to instance section, you will see it's up and running. Okay. Okay, we'll wait for a minute and we'll see. Okay, what you can copy this public IP, okay, and just paste it here, and we'll see one thing. We'll see a Apache starter page basically, and it will show like our Apache is installed in our EC2 instance basically. So currently, I guess still it is in progress. Okay, so here is our EC2 Apache 2 default page. So once that means our Apache server is installed on our EC2 instance. Okay, as of now this is not visible because we have not done this process as well. Okay, currently. So what we will do, we'll create an AMI from this EC2 instance. Okay, if you go to action and image and templates, we'll get the option create image. So what we will give, AMI demo web page. Okay, create image. Okay, so currently AMI is creating. Okay, from this instance you can see here. Okay, and if you go to image section on the left hand side under AMI, okay, you will get your own AMI. Okay, so this is in pending state. We'll wait for till it's complete. Then from this AMI we'll create an EC2 instance. Okay, and meanwhile if you want to verify you can use in your EC2 instance or not, what you can do, go to the instance. Okay, launch instance, and in instance type, okay, if you click on my AMI, you will get your AMI. Okay, owned by me. Still that is in progress, so that's why it's not visible, by the way. Okay, pending state. We'll wait for a couple of minutes and then we'll see. Okay, still it is in pending state. What we'll do, we'll launch an instance from AMI and see if we get any error. We'll see. Okay, so collect the AMI and click. You will see the option launch instance from AMI. Click on that. Okay, here is our, so here we'll give AMI EC2 web page. Okay, and from AMI you can see the from AMI from catalog. If you go to my AMI, there also you will get the same thing. Okay, Okay, you can select this one, T3 micro. Key pair is not required. Okay, allow HTTPS. And in advanced section, what we will do, we will install bash. This is required. Okay, and update. Do update every time. Okay, and this is our simple web page. So this time we are not installing Apache because it's already there in our AMI. Okay, click on launch instance. Okay, the instance is launched. We'll go to that instance. Okay, if you verify, there will be two instances will be running. Okay, you can see here one is AMI demo and AMI EC2 web page. So this one just now we created. Okay, so what we will do, we'll copy this IP address and we'll try to run it. Okay, still it is in pending state. Sometimes it's take a couple of minutes because we are updating and then updating the files and all. That's why it's taking time sometimes. Okay, finally our status check is passed, all three, and let's refresh it again. Yes, so now you can see our web page is there up and running. So that's how that's the purpose. Currently we install Apache here and we didn't install Apache here because in our previous EC2 instance Apache is already installed. Then from AMI we created the EC2 instance. That's why we didn't install Apache and then again. So that's a useful thing, how and what is the use of AMI and where you can use it. So hope you like this video. Do let me know if I did any mistake, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and follow me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.